Today I'll show you how you can change the miles driven on GEICO. To change the miles driven online, you want to log into your GEICO account. From there you want to click on the Policyholder Services tab, and then under Vehicles, click on the vehicle that you want to change the miles driven for. Click on the Change Miles Driven button, and then enter the new number of miles driven. You then want to click on the Save button. To change the miles driven by phone, you want to call GEICO customer service at 1-800-841-3000. You'll need to provide the representative with your policy number and the vehicle identification number of the car you want to change the miles driven for. You then want to tell the representative the new number of miles driven, and then the representative will update your policy. Here are some things to keep in mind when changing the miles driven on your GEICO policy. You can change the miles driven at any time, but it's usually best to do so at the beginning of the policy term. If you change the miles driven after the policy's already started, your insurance premiums may go up or down, so make sure to try and avoid that, because if you are adding miles, it is likely that your insurance will go up. The amount of change will depend on the difference between the old and the new number of miles driven. So obviously, if you're adding miles, it will go up. However, if you are taking them down, it may actually go down. So that is exactly how you can change miles driven on GEICO. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.